Hello friends, everybody, welcome to my new update video of S-Class Pathshala. Today I will solve an interesting equation. Here is given that 7 to the power cos square theta plus 7 to the power sin square theta is equal to h. We have to find out the value of theta. Let's go start. Please subscribe my channel if you are the new viewer of my channel S-Class Pathshala. Please like, comment and share. And if you have any problem, please know me by comment. Okay, let's go start. Here is given 7 to the power cos square theta plus 7 to the power sin square theta. We multiply the both sides 7 to the power sin square theta. Okay, let's go. 7 into 7 to the power cos square theta into 7 to the power sin square theta. Okay, plus 7 to the power sin square theta into 7 to the power sin square theta is equal to 8 into 7 to the power sin square theta. Okay, now we can write the according to a to the power m and a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n. Using this formula we can write here 7 to the power cos square theta into sin plus sin square theta. Okay, plus here is we can write a and a is equal to a square. Okay, 7 to the power sin square theta to all square is equal to 8 into 7 to the power sin theta. Okay, then here we know that cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1. So we can write here 7 to the power 1 plus here is 7 square theta all square is equal to 8 into 7 to the power sin square theta. Now let 7 to the power sin square theta is equal to y. Okay, so we can write here 7 plus y square is equal to 8y. We transform 8y from right side to left side. We can write rearranging according to the model equation. Here is y square minus 8y plus 7 is equal to 0. Now we model factor this equation. We can write here as y square minus 8y plus 7 into 1 is equal to 0. How can do each that here 7 and 1 is equal to 7 or 7 plus 1 is equal to 8. So we can write y square minus 8y minus y plus 7 is equal to here will 7. Okay, now we can write here a common y minus 7 minus 1 common y minus 7 is equal to 0. Then y minus 7 and y minus 1 is equal to 0. Then a into b is equal to 0, a equal to 0 or b equal to 0. So y minus 7 is equal to 0 or y minus 1 is equal to 0. Y is equal to 7. We putting the value where we let 7 to the power sin square theta is equal to y. Now we can write 7 to the power sin square theta is equal to 7. We can write a power is 1. So base and power is equal to power. Okay, so sin square theta is equal to 1. Now we can write here the sine square theta is equal to 1 and sine theta is equal to plus minus 1. When sine theta is equal to 1, then we can write sine theta is equal to sine pi by 2. Then the value we can write theta is equal to 4n plus 1 equal to pi by 2, where n is an integer number. Again, when the value of sine theta is equal to minus 1, then we can write here the sine theta is equal to minus sine pi by 2. Then sine theta is equal to sine minus pi by 2, and theta is equal to 4n minus 1 pi by 2. This is the solution of this equation. Again y is equal to 1. Then we can write, putting the value of y is 7 to the power sine square theta is equal to 1. Then we can write 7 to the power sine square theta is equal to 7 to the power 0. So sine square theta is equal to 0 and sine theta is equal to 0. Therefore we can write theta is equal to n pi, where n is real any integer number. Okay, the final value of theta is equal to n pi 4n plus 1 pi by 2 and 4n minus 1 pi by 2. Okay, please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching this video.